Introducing the newest in our line of large format industrial 3D printers, Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4. Designed here in-house by our additive manufacturing experts, Gigabot 4 starts at a 24 by 24 by 24 inch build volume, and Terabot 4 has a 36 by 36 by 39 inch build volume, which is up to 30 times larger than an average desktop machine, and includes a whole host of features that makes them a solid choice for your next fused filament fabrication 3D printer. The evolution of these 3D printers into Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4 was guided by user feedback, and includes the latest firmware and control interface technologies available for 3D printers. Our team of additive manufacturing experts came together to produce this high-quality machine. The frame of Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4 is precision manufactured in-house to tolerances of less than 5/1000ths of an inch. A robust and solid frame is paramount to having rigidity and repeatability in your 3D printing experience. Of course, every detail is taken into account when building the core frame of the machine, where every screw is torqued to specification. A machine this size needs to be portable, so it's sitting on 4 casters that move this machine smoothly around your shop. And Terabot 4 includes leveling casters to easily level it in place. As part of our over 200-point assembly and testing verification process, each machine is thoroughly tested with 100 hours of print time to ensure compliance with our strict quality standards before it departs the factory. When 3D printing, it is important to have a precision build platform. The printer bed starts at 24 by 24 inches, with a 1/2 inch thick aluminum plate that is precision Blanchard ground flat and parallel to less than 5/1000ths of an inch. That bed is heated by a full-size silicone rubber heating pad, which allows the printing of high-temperature industrial materials. Thermal compensation has been taken into account with a 4 to 9 point bed leveling system to provide a pristine surface and really great first layers. The bed is then topped with Print & Z, a print surface that provides excellent adhesion and a clean release of your printed part for many types of thermoplastics. This engineered print surface is supported by aluminum extrusion that's again machined to the precision of less than 5/1000ths of an inch, and moves smoothly by either V-groove wheels on a runway rail for Gigabot 4, or for Terabot 4 via true linear guides for highly accurate, repetitive positioning. Gigabot 4 includes strong 120 ounce-inches NEMA 17 motors with Class H insulation for high-temperature environments, together with upsized 1/4 inch motor shafts for improved strength and reliability. Terabot 4 increases the motor size to NEMA 23 in the X and Y planes. Our metal body extruders offer improved functionality and reliability over the previous design made from polycarbonate. Machined from aluminum, the metal body extruders are more robust and easier to operate due to tight tolerances and premium components. These improvements make the new metal body extruder ready to print for the life of the machine. The print heads were designed and developed by Re3D. The hot ends are interchangeable, and we use standard hot ends at a 0.4mm nozzle size and high flow Series 20 hot ends at 0.8mm nozzle size, which allows you to build parts quickly. You also have the option to use a smaller 0.25mm nozzle for high-resolution, fine detail prints. The hot ends feature robust tube-style heater cartridges and thermocouples for consistent and accurate temperature settings. Our non-proprietary filaments such as PLAs, ABS, nylons, polycarbonates, and flexible materials feed directly into the hot ends with a direct drive mechanism powered by NEMA 17 motors. Gigabot uses 2.85mm diameter filament that can extrude up to 320 degrees Celsius, and with a dual extrusion system like Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4, you can print with multiple materials at once or ditto print with both nozzles at the same time for batch printing smaller objects. A huge printer can use a lot of filament, so we stock 15-pound spools of your most requested materials, and when you run out, the filament detection unit works to pause your print until filament is reloaded, so you can print huge for days, weeks, and even months. The newest visual addition you'll see on Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4 is the front-mounted 10-inch full-color LCD touchscreen. The touchscreen includes temperature and motion controls, temperature history graph, and preset macros. The menu options add file management, G-code editing, command line input, a 3D viewer, and print history analytics and tracking. Also included is an integrated USB port for loading G-code files directly onto your printer. This touchscreen software is just one component of our new Klipper open source software stack. We've transitioned from Marlin firmware to Klipper because it enables high-precision stepper movement, smooth pressure advance and input shaping, and also an API server that creates opportunity for custom development. The Klipper web application runs the touchscreen from a Raspberry Pi and enables you to access the printer from your local network on desktop or mobile browsers, with all the same control options you get directly at the printer. In order to successfully integrate this exciting new software stack, we overhauled our electrical system starting with the control board. We partnered with US-based manufacturer Ultimachine to design a custom 32-bit ArchiMajor control board for your Gigabot. The advanced board features 8 integrated stepper motor drivers, 3 heater outputs, 5 thermocouple inputs, 4 controllable fans, and 8 end stops. The new control board and the Raspberry Pi are now inside a 16-inch electrical enclosure with an integrated power switch, power filter, and more durable flex-rated cabling. Not only does this board increase your 3D printer's processing power, but it allows us to better control our supply chain and electronics quality with a strong US manufacturer as our partner. With any industrial machine, you have to pay attention to every detail, and no detail was overlooked. The electrical system has flexible cables that allow over 1 million cycles of flexing. All of the wires are protected in a flexible cable carrier system. Those wires that don't move are encased in Panduit wire routing for a very clean look and a safe machine. For those printing with high-temperature plastics or operating in inconsistent environments, the Gigabot Enclosure provides a consistent passive heating environment that protects your machine and enables large prints with materials like ABS and polycarbonate. You can purchase a 600mm cubed Gigabot 4 as a kit that you assemble yourself. This ships in flat pack boxes and comes with written and video instructions to make our most affordable printer as accessible as possible to you, no matter where you are in the world. As an open material and workflow platform, you have your choice of software for controlling the machine. Simplify3D is one of the best slicer programs available on the market for taking your model and turning it into your finished product. It allows you a wide selection of material choices and complete control over the machine. So if you want to speed things up, slow things down, or use a new and unique material, Simplify3D gives you the flexibility to do just that. Even a beautifully engineered machine such as Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4 is not enough by itself. It's backed up by the full team at Re3D. You have access to our extensive knowledge base and lifetime customer support for as long as you own your machine. Plus, if it ever changes hands, the lifetime support goes with it. Extended warranties are available for up to 3 years, and we offer service level agreements for enterprise customers. Our education, training, and support can be on-site or remote, and we offer a path to upgrade, so as the 3D printer evolves, you can add on the latest and greatest technology without having to purchase a completely new system. We are proud members of America Makes, and your Gigabot is manufactured in our Texas factory. When considering price, quality, and build volume, Gigabot 4 and Terabot 4 are unmatched. This is a broad-based technology with capabilities for industry, art, design, architecture, and education to build big quality parts at an affordable price point. Re3D's mission to print huge and to democratize access to manufacturing is demonstrated in every part of these machines. Gigabot, Terabot, and the Re3D team look forward to supporting the next generation of users who dream big and print huge.